It's a video that will take your breath away. A house explosion captured on camera, leaving a neighborhood in shock. But what's truly remarkable is that 6 firefighters were inside the home at the time, and they all made it out alive. As police stood outside, the firefighters were on a rescue mission, responding to a call for help. Little did they know that the house they entered was about to explode. Despite the force of the explosion, the firefighters walked away with only minor injuries. It's a testament to their training, their bravery, and their dedication to serving their community. We were just doing our job, trying to help people in need. We never expected something like this to happen, but we're grateful to be alive, and we're ready to get back to work. It's a reminder that heroes don't always wear capes. Sometimes they wear fire helmets and work boots, and sometimes they walk away from a house explosion with only minor injuries.
What are you saying, Nate?
The best approach is from the back.
Watch these wires.
Working house fire, 945 Ramble Avenue.